Hi everyone. So in our video, we will talk about application of geometry. So before we start, I will introduce you my teammates. So the first one, you can see at the slide. The first one is Erisha, and the second one is Shanas. The third one is Suri, and the last one, of course, me myself, Suri.
I will talk about application of geometry. What is application of geometry? Application of geometry is widely applied in various fields to solve real-world problems. In architecture and construction, it is used to design buildings, bridges, and structures with precision and stability. Engineers rely on geometry to create machines, vehicles, and tools. In art and design, it helps create patterns, perspective, and proportions. Computer graphics and animation use geometry to render 2D and 3D images. In navigation, GPS technology depends on geometric principles like triangulation. Geometry is also used in medical imaging, astronomy, sports, and manufacturing for planning, analysis, optimization. It is essential in many aspects of everyday life. Just that from me.
In 1680, laptop begins with the concept of portable computers, such as the notebook by LLK. In 1981, option 1 considered as the one of the first laptop portable computer in the 1980 with the models like the compact portable Macintosh Portable. In 1690, became more compact and powerful, such as IBM ThinkPad and Apple PowerBook. In 2001, Apple iBook G3 introduced colorful design appealing consumers. In 2008, MacBook Air introduced ultra-thin laptops. In 2010, rise of ultrabooks and 2-in-1 laptop like Microsoft Surface Chromebook. Now, laptop more powerful, featuring 5G and AI, along with innovation like flexible display and more portable gaming laptops.
Next, I will talk about history of Baskin-Robbins. In 1945, by American brothers-in-law Bert Baskin and Irene Robbins from the merging of their respective ice cream parlors in Glendale, California. By 1948, Baskin and Robbins had opened 6 stores. In 1949, Baskin-Robbins opened its first dairy production facility in Burbank, California. In 2006, the company BR logo was updated such that it doubles as the number 31 to represent the 31 flavors, with the 31 formed by the part of the latest BR, which are rendered in pink and in contrast to the rest of the logo, which is rendered in blue. In August 2012, Dunkin' Brands became completely independent of the private equity firms. In 2014, Baskin-Robbins also began selling its ice cream for the first time in supermarkets across the US. In July 2017, Baskin-Robbins started adding their location to delivery service platform DoorDash to deliver ice cream in 2020 cities across the United States. Now, Baskin-Robbins had franchise in more than 30 countries.
Meanwhile, he tried some of his newly created flavors in local grocery stores. War II broke out and postponed his dream. At that time, Baskin had obtained a freezer from an aircraft carrier supply officer and began concocting his own creamy treats for his fellow servicemen, using local tropical fruits found on the island.
The our case 2 is about circle of measure. The diagram shows that a cake divided into 8 slices of cake. The radius given is 4 cm. The angle of slice of cake is 45 degree. Use pi equal 3.1416. First question is find the sector arc length. Use the formula theta divided 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Sub the value into the formula. 45 divided 360 multiplied by 2, 3.1416 multiplied by 4. The answer is 3.1416 cm. The second question is find the area of sliced cake. Use the formula area is equal by theta divided 360 multiplied by pi r square. Sub the value into the formula. 45 divided by 360 multiplied by 3.1416 multiplied by 4 square. The answer is 6.2832 cm square.
As what Aries explained earlier about the question 1 and question 2, now it's my turn. I want to explain the number 3 and number 4 question. So I start with number 3. So the number 3 is to find the area of the unsliced cake. So to find the area of the complete circle of the cake, so you use the formula area equal to pi radius square, and then you just input the pi with 3.1416 multiplied by 4 square, and then you got the answer is 50.2656. And then you want to search for the area of complete circle and then the area of complete circle minus the area of the sliced cake, because you want to find the area of the unsliced cake. So 50.2656 minus 6.2832, and then you get 43.9824. And then I move on to question 4. So the question 4, when the perimeter of slice of the cake, and then you just calculate the, so you get 4 plus 4 plus pi, or 3.1416, and then the final answer is 11.1416 centimeter. Thank you.
Next, for the second case, we use quadrilateral. The diagram shows a laptop with a picture of flower. The length of digital flower is 10 cm. The width is 3 cm and the height is 5 cm. Given the ratio laptop to digital flower 3:1. For the first question is about find the parameter for laptop. The formula we use is length plus width, and we must multiply 2 because it's the same. So we sub into 30 multiply 2 plus 50 multiply 2. So we get 90 cm. For the second question, find the parameter for the digital flower. So we sub 10 multiply 2 plus 5 multiply 2, we get 30 cm. Next, we find the area for laptop. So the formula we use is length multiply width. So So we sub 30 multiply 50 equal 450 cm square. Next, find the area for the zeta flower. So we sub 10 multiply 5 is equal 15 cm square. So this is all for me. Next.
Okay, so for case 2, just now we already find for question A and B. So now we need to find for question C and D. For C1, we need to find the volume for laptop. As you can see in the slide, we already put the formula for the question. So we use length multiply to width and multiply to height. So as you can see, 30 multiply to 15 and multiply to 9, we got 4050 centimeter cube. So for C2, we need to find the volume for digital flower. So as you can see, 10 multiply to 5 and multiply to 3, we got 150 centimeter cube. For question D, we need to find the volume between the laptop and digital flower. It means we need to find the volume in the white area. As you can see in the picture, we have white area, so we need to find the volume for the white area. So we just need to minus the volume for laptop and digital flower that we got from question C. So in the slide, 4050 minus to 150, we got 3900 centimeter cube. That's all from me.
Next, for the conclusion, the application of geometry is not limited to just mathematics or education. It extends to numerous real-world contexts, improving technology, design, and our daily experience. Whether it's through the development of advanced engineering projects, enhancing visual representation in technology, or solving complex spatial problems, geometry remains a critical and evolving field of study with far-reaching influence. In conclusion, this application of geometry is related to our lives. For example, food that has various shapes or things around us. Based on case 2, we can find out that a round object can be calculated for its angle and area. While based on case 2, we can know that something shape can be calculated as perimeter or area. Even these two cases can have an effect on the theme. In addition, every geometry application must be round or rectangular. Even all shapes and sizes can be applied as geometry applications. Every physical shape that is 2D and 3D can also be applied in the application of geometry in everyday life of the environment.
Thank you for your attention.